Welcome to Project 4, Lab 2. In this lab, you'll add names to your character's bones. This will make them easier to animate. Our goals for the lesson are to identify the correct names for bones in a 3D model and use the bone panel to name the creature's bones. Naming bones. The animation process will be easier if you give your bones names that describe where they are. When you're looking at the front of the creature, its right arm will be on the left side of the screen. The left arm will be on the right side of the screen. You'll name the bone based on what side of the body it's on, not what side of the screen it's on. For example, in body part L or body part R, the letters R and L stand for right and left. All right, let's just test ourselves and click and drag the bone names to the correct location. So put yourself inside the creature's body. So you would actually be facing yourself. And if you were inside of the creature's body, this would be your right arm, right? And this would be your left arm. So we're going to go arm right, arm left, leg right, leg left. Woohoo! Armature. And armature is a type of rigging that is made up of bones, just like your skeleton. Armature is a word for all the bones inside a model. You'll use the bone panel to name the bones. So to get started from where we left off, just double check that we're in edit mode. And I'm going to just click A to make sure that I don't have anything selected right now. And I'm also going to be coming over here to this object data mini window is what they call this little area. And it says to click here. And it wants us to come down and click names. Ooh, look, all of a sudden all that armature has a little spot for a name. Cool. All right, let's begin with the left arm bone. You're going to right click on it to select it, right? Looks like it's already selected. And I'm going to come over here to our little bone button. And then right here is where you get to name it. And they want us to name it arm.L for left. Arm L. And you know what? Because of the fact that the whole thing wasn't yellow for me, it wasn't selected. I swiveled around, right-clicked in a couple more spots, and I was able to get it to be selected. So now when I click here, hopefully arm.L. Well, I was kind of hoping that that would change. Oh, it did. Okay, that time it changed the name. If you, let's see, I'm just going to click A so that it's not selected. Huh, I'm just not seeing the name on there change like it does in the video. Hold on. Okay, when I zoom in really close, I can see that it does say arm L. I'm going to go ahead and save. File save as Creature Animated Project 4 Lab 2. Save as Blender. Holding down my control key, and I'm just kind of panning on over here, and I'm going to select this one now. All right, let's hope that this one names a little easier. And now over here, where it says bone 0.006, I'm going to call that now arm.R for right arm. And hit enter. Okay, and I can clearly see that it did update the name of that bone. All right, let's go ahead and name the thigh bone. I'm going to hit 7 for top view. Okay, and I'm just gonna shift and scroll so I can see my bones nicely. Like to be able to see what I'm doing to make sure I'm doing it correctly. Control scroll and move it back to the center there for you. I'm gonna right click. There we go, until I get that whole thing selected. And now I'm going to call that upper leg dot L. So that's the left upper leg, and hit enter. Perfect, I can kind of see that it updated it. Okay, now left click the shin bone, and we're gonna name that one lower leg dot L, left lower leg. I don't know why we just couldn't do thigh and shin, but oh well. And you could probably guess what we're going to name the right side. Upper leg dot R for right, and lower leg dot R for right lower leg. All right. Don't forget to hit enter. And hopefully everything for you has been named properly. And that completes lab 2. That was quick.